If your hotspot is not working and showing error in hotspot setting, so let us resolve this issue. You can see here automated going to off. Now I am going on my phone setting. Hotspot on my phone is not working at all. Also, when I went to the setting, it shows me an error. Screen showing black due to the security reason. Check your data usage limit as a select unlimited. Still hotspot showing error on my phone and not working. Now go to system option in your setting to remove hotspot error. Then select reset option, in which there will be network, apps, device reset options. Then click on Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth option and now click on reset setting. Don't worry, the data in your phone will not be erased. Okay. After reset, now let's see if the hotspot error is showing error or not. Still our hotspot is not working. Remember to restart your phone once after giving the reset. After restarting the phone, you can see that the hotspot is working normally and continuously and not showing the error issue in my setting of hotspot. Friends, if you like this video, share this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.